Good morning, grade 1. Welcome again to your SST lesson. Today we are doing Unit 5 and Lesson 2 from Unit 5, which is People Find New Homes. The pages that we are going to cover today start from page 220 till page 225. The objectives of our lesson for today are to understand the ways in which immigrants have helped define American culture, recognize that immigrants come from countries around the world to make a new home in the United States, and to recognize the cultural characteristics of places. People find new homes. Anahat, Quelly, Yuan, and Yana are making a scrapbook about their families. They are all immigrants to the United States. As immigrant is a person from another part of the world who has come to live in this country. The world is all the people and places on earth. Now look at this picture. She is Anahat and she is from India. Now, if we particularly talk about United States, people have moved to United States from other places around the world. People are still moving in United States today as well. And the people who come from different countries and they decide to live in United States, we call them immigrants. Because they are from another part, they are born in another country and they decide to live in another country. Now look at these pictures. He is Kweli and Kweli is from Kenya. Yuan is from El Salvador. And Yana is from Russia. So they all belong from different countries. Anahat's family owns an Indian restaurant and Kweli's family sells African art. So if you see, both the families have different cultures. They have different food that they eat. Yet they live in the same country, which is United States. So they are the immigrants and they decide to live in United States of America. Now if I ask you, what foods do you enjoy from other countries? Your answer would probably be pasta from Italy, noodles from China, or tortillas from Mexico. It could be anything. You like different cuisines of different countries. And what words do you know from other cultures? So there are different words that are used in different culture. For example, adios or merci. All these are different words that are present in different cultures. You should know and you should learn to appreciate the things we have in common and the ways in which we differ. For example, people do not need to be from India to enjoy Indian food or eat at an Indian restaurant. Many people, not just people from Africa, can enjoy African art as well. So, the whole crux is that even if you do not belong from a certain culture, you should appreciate their norms, their way of living, the way they eat their food, their language. You should learn to accept people the way they are. Now, families who come to the United States bring their cultures with them. They share their cultures with others. Many kinds of food, clothing, and recreation have been brought to this country by immigrants. So, immigrants bring their culture with them. They are full of their culture, they bring it and they practice those cultures in the country they decide to settle in. In this case, which is United States. Yana's mother teaches ballet, which she learned in Russia. Yuan's grandmother sells cloth that she learned to make in El Salvador. Now, people of different cultures live and work together in their community. Learning about one another and sharing cultures help us get along. Now, Ellis Island. and this is a Russian passport here. People have come to the United States from other places for many years. Some immigrants have crossed the ocean from countries such as Ireland, Italy, and China. Others have come by land from Canada and Mexico. Now, if you see this passport here, you should know that in the past, the borders were open, meaning that people could simply walk, ride, or sail right into the country. But now, people must carry passports, visa, or other documentation to show who they are and where they are coming from. Now, people are still coming to the United States today. When people move here, they can keep their cultures, they can share in American culture too. So it's not necessary that if you belong from one country and you decide to live in another country, you should leave your culture. You should leave the way you live. No, you can use both the cultures together. Now, the summary of the lesson for today is immigrants move to the United States from all over the world. The cultures they bring help our country change and grow. And by our country here they mean is United States. Now, the work that you have to do is, your classwork is to do page 44 on the practice book. Thank you grade 1 for listening to your SST lesson today. I hope you understood the topics and you enjoyed them. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye.